Hello everyone, this series of videos will explain the use of Mirobot robotic arm and related accessories. So first of all, after we get the robotic arm, we first do a simple unboxing. After we remove the outer packaging, we get this inside packing box. This packing box is open and closed from the top, which is convenient for taking the arm. At the same time, there is a handle on the side of the box to facilitate the carrying of the robotic arm. After we open the packaging box, we will first see some accessories in the box, such as the manual, stickers, which is mainly used to do some personalized decoration of the arm, and there is also a coordinate map. This map can help us locate the robotic arm. We will use this map many times in the following videos. The inner of the packing case is divided into two layers, according to the kit you bought. The accessories inside are different. What we show you here is a professional kit. First of all, we take out the accessory boxes. Here, take out the top foam board. The lower layer of the box holds the body of the arm and some other accessories. When we take out and place the robotic arm, we need to take it with both hands. After the arm is taken out, don't manually twist the axes, because the reduction ratio of each axis is relatively large. In this way, it may cause some damage to the arm. We set the robotic arm aside and take out the rest of the accessories. Next, let's take a look at the accessories. First, we take out this big box. Inside this box are the power supplies and the data lines. Packaging inside, in order to save time, has been removed in advance. We can take it out to show you. These are 12-volt power adapter, a power cable, and a USB Type B cable. Inside this box, there is a controller for the robot arm, including the controller itself and a charging cable. These two boxes hold the pneumatic kit of the robotic arm. In this box, we have the pneumatic box, including a connection line. This box includes the pneumatic tools. It has 3 tools in it: a suction cup, a 2-finger gripper, and a 3-finger soft gripper. This soft gripper can be controlled to grasp some irregular shaped objects. At the same time, it is also equipped with several suction cups of different sizes which can be replaced to grasp different objects. Among these 3 boxes, let's take a look at this one first. There are 2 tools in this box. One pen holder, used for holding various pens, and a micro servo gripper, used to hold small objects. This box includes the multifunction extender box of the arm. This extender box is mainly used to provide some hardware interface expansion. Matching with this box is an IDC cable connected to the arm, and a TF card reader. There is a TF card on the side of the box. In the last box, there are some accessories. These are small blocks that we will use to complete some programming tasks later, and hex screwdrivers used to remove and assemble the end tools of the robotic arm. These above are all the things in the robotic arm kit. Before we move on to the programming of the robotic arm, let's first release the arm from the packing posture. We take out the power supply and the extender box. First, connect the extender box to the robotic arm with the IDC cable. Behind the base of the arm, there is a row of sockets. Then power of the arm. The power socket is also located at the back of the base. After the hardware connection is completed, find the power switch on the base of the robotic arm and power it on. After the extender box starts, we can see that the arm is now in a locked state. Long press the button in the middle of the box. The robotic arm performs a homing operation. Each axis of the arm moves in the direction of the reset switch. After multiple touches, it will stretch to the initial working posture. Okay, like this, we have completed an unlock operation. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.